Unveiling Innocence, Understanding Guileless. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful English word that describes a quality we all admire: guileless. If you've ever met someone so pure, honest, and transparent that their innocence shines through, you've met a guileless person. Stick with me as we explore what it means to be guileless, how to use the word correctly, and why it's a trait worth cherishing. Let's get started on our journey to clarity and understanding. At its core, guileless is an adjective that paints a picture of someone who is free of deceit. To be guileless is to have or show a lack of cunning or artfulness. It's not just about honesty but also about simplicity and character, without any hidden agendas or manipulation. Imagine a child's straightforwardness, their easy trust, and transparent emotions. That's the essence of being guileless. It's a quality that we often associate with purity and moral integrity. Understanding a word's origin can often help us appreciate its full meaning. Guileless comes from the word guile, which means deceitful cunning or artfulness. Adding the suffix less turns it into its opposite, indicating an absence of these qualities. It's like taking the concept of deception and saying, "There's none of that here." The term has roots that date back hundreds of years and has always been associated with a sort of pristine honesty that's unfortunately all too rare in the world. Now, let's see how we can put guileless into play within sentences. Her guileless smile won everyone's hearts. Tells us that her smile was pure and heartfelt, with no underlying motives. Despite his age, he had a guileless wonder about the world. Indicates that he viewed the world with an open heart, without skepticism or cynicism. In literature, a character might be described as a guileless heroine, highlighting her noble and straightforward nature. Using guileless in your vocabulary can add a layer of depth when describing someone's character or actions. In a world where complexity often clouds our judgment, being guileless is like a breath of fresh air. A guileless person can inspire trust and create a bond of pure connection. It's a reminder of the value of simplicity and straightforwardness in our interactions. Moreover, guileless individuals often bring out the best in others. Their innocence can be contagious, reminding those around them of the beauty of transparency in our thoughts and actions. And there we have it, friends. A closer look at the lovely quality of being guileless. I hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning of the word but also the significance it holds in character and communication. Being guileless is more than just being honest. It's about a pure-hearted approach to life that can be truly inspirational. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you'll bring a touch of guilelessness into your own life. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.